Good morning, children. I am here to recall what we had learned in the previous lesson. Yes, we learned about what is Windows operating system, what are the functions of Windows operating system, and different versions of Windows operating system. Shall we go to the new lesson today?
Today we are going to see about Windows Desktop. The opening screen of Windows is called Desktop. Do you think that each desktop will differ from one another? Yes, because the Windows allows us to change the appearance of the desktop. Desktop shows start buttons, taskbar, notification area, date and time, and icons. Next we will see what is icons.
Okay, look at this. What is this? Yes, it's a Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser. Now, like Google Chrome, we have many images in the screen, in the desktop. So, what is that? Yes, very good. So, this is called as an icons. Icons means nothing but it's a graphical symbol. So graphical symbol means it's like an image. Okay, so here Microsoft Windows is one of the icon, and then this is a GUI based application. So from the beginning we are learning what is GUI, graphical user interface. That means the user can interact with the computer. So what happen in the desktop when we have icon, when we click or when we double click, the particular icon will be opening, that particular document will be opening for us to work with it. So that is called as a icon. So icon is a graphical symbol and it's a GUI based application. The next one is, there are three types of icons: standard icon, and disk drive shortcut icons, and then disk drive icons. Okay, now you are going to tell me what is standard icon. Okay, so look at here. So can you guess what is standard icon? What do you mean by standard? Yes, standard means by default the application that is in the desktop is called as a standard icons. By default, what are the application or what are the icons that is on the screen that is called as a standard icons? Especially we'll have my computer, recycle pin, and my document. So recycle pin is one of the icons available on desktop by default is called as a standard icons. Here my computer, documents, and recycle pin. These are the three applications that will be available on the screen by default. Okay, look at this. So what is this? Yes, we know that these are icons to particular applications. First one is a Google Chrome. The second one is a Word application. So now what we have to do? Can you look at this image and can you see the difference? What is this, children? Yes, this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. This is the shortcut that we are using to open that particular application. So these are called shortcut icons. So the icons, when you double click, it's easy for us to open the shortcut icons. So shortcut icons created for any application or files. So any application, if you think that it should be on the screen, you can create it as a shortcut one, and by double clicking you will be able to open the shortcut icon. So this is called shortcut icons. The next one, look at this image. Okay, I think everybody knows what is this. When you insert a pen drive, you will get removable disk like this, and when you insert a CD or DVD, we will get the drive like this. So what is this? Yes, these are called as a disk drive icons. These are called as a disk drive icons. So here graphically represent 5 disk drive icons. There are 5 disk drive icons available in the Windows desktop. The first one, hard disk. So what you people learnt in the second lesson, what is hard disk. And the second one, CD-ROM or DVD drive. And the next one is pen drive, and then network drives and removable storage like USB, all those things. Okay, now look at this. What is this? Window. What is this? Window. Now we are going to see about, there are two types of window. Okay, tell me what is this one? Yes, this is called as a how does the Windows works? It's a rectangular area in an application, and it displays information for a specific program. For example, I want to open a Word application, or if I want to open an Excel application. So what I should do? So I should open the particular application, then the main screen will come. That is called as a window. The place in which we are going to work with it, that is called as a window. Okay. Now, next we are going to see what is an application window. I said there are two types of window. So what is an application window? Yes, from the name you know what is an application. What is an application? Can you give me some examples? Yes, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, calculator, notepad, all those things that we are working with it, that is called as an application. So now we are going to see what is an application window. Can you guess? Yes, this is called as an application window because in the place in which we are going, this is a Microsoft Word application, but this window is called as a application window because we are going to work with it. Okay. Yes, the application window can be resized, can be minimized or maximized, and we can able to open more than one window at a time on the screen. An application window contains open application, so the user can work with it. And then next one, it has multiple windows, but when I am working with the first one, for example, if I am typing hi here, I am not able to work with this. If I am going to move my cursor here, I can work with it, but this will be inactive. So the window, the which one we are working with it will be active. The next one, if you are opening two windows, one will be active, the next one will be inactive. So this is multiple windows. Okay. So next we saw what is an application window. Next what we are going to see about what is document window. So what is document, children? Yes, in an application, if we are going to create a document, for example Word, if I want to type about myself, I should create a document. So now we are going to see what is a document window. Yes, document windows has the contents of document. For example, yes, here the Windows Club. So that is a contents, and that is called as a document window, and this is called as a document area. Okay, so the one we are going to work with it, it's called as a contents of document. Okay, look at this one. So what is this? This image has more than one equipment in his hands. So what we are going to see, that is called as the elements. Okay, so we are going to see the elements of window. Okay, now what is title bar? From the name, okay, can you guess what is title bar? Title, why do we use title? Yes, in English story, after the story we will give one title. Okay, if you are creating your own story, after writing a story, you will give a title. The same way, the document that which we are going to work with, we will give title. So like that, the window has a title bar that shows what is the name of the document. So here, which one is the title bar? Yes, that is the title bar, and it gives, so this is the title bar. And here we have minimize button and then maximize button and then close button. Minimize, maximize and close button. Okay, so the next one is menu bar. So what is menu? When you go to the hotel, okay, what they will give in the beginning? Yes, they will give the menu items you have to select. The same way in computer window also we have a menu bar. Okay, so in the menu bar we have to select and work with it. If I want to open file, I can go and click file menu. If I want to edit my document, I can go and click my edit menu. So we have different menus. For example, here file, menus, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. This is a Word document. So these are the menus available in Word document. The same way we have menus in Excel, the same way we have menus in PowerPoint, etc. Okay. Now you know what is title bar, what is menu bar. Next, to open the menu bar, we can Alt key plus letter. We can access the menu. So if I want to access the menu in the menu bar, either I can use my mouse pointer to go to that particular menu and I can click, or else I can click Alt key plus letter. So when I press Alt key plus letter, I'll be able to access that particular menu. The next also Alt or F10. So this will gives us the first, it will gives the access to the first menu. Okay, so when you press Alt or F10, it will directly take to us to the first menu. Okay, what I will do if I don't have menu bar in my window? What I should do? Do you have any idea? Now we'll see how we can bring that menu bar. If I don't have menus in my document, how I should bring that menu bar? First we'll see. Yes, go to the My Computer. When you click My Computer, the left side you will have layout option. So click on the layout. So there will be, you have to select menu bar. When you select menu bar, you will be able to get the menu bars in your documents. Okay, the next elements of window, what is that? Workspace. So workspace. So now we are going to school. You people are coming to school to learn. So this is your which one is your workspace? School. The same way for a document we have workspace. So which one is a workspace in a document? Yes, already we saw document area. The same thing. So that's called as a workspace. Okay, the area in which we are currently working with it, it's called as a workspace. The next elements of window is scroll bars. So scroll bar helps us to drag or resize. Okay, if I am in my document, if I'm in the first page and I want to see the end of the document, so what I should do? I should scroll it. Okay, now you'll see where is the scroll bar in Word document. Yes, I think you people might note it down when you are working with the Word document. So these are the scroll bars. So we have two types of scroll bars. One is horizontal. This one is horizontal and this one is vertical scroll bar. Okay, the last one, corners and borders. Okay, from the name, if it is a square shape, how many corners we have? 4 corners. Is it? How many borders? 4. The same way, we have the document windows also has a corners and borders. So look at here. So this is the Word document. In this we have, how many corners we have? Yes, we have 4 corners and we have 4 borders. So all the circling, the red circling is a corners. So why? Okay, these corners and borders are useful for us. we will see why. Okay. Why corners and borders in a window? Yes. Drag and resize. Drag and resize. If I want to drag or if I want to resize, I can click that particular corners. I will be able to work with it. And also when you look at this one, what is happening? Double-headed arrow. When I see the double-headed arrow, then I should click and drag it. Okay. So for these functions, we are having corners and borders in the window. Okay. So this is the overview of elements. So finally, for example, so first we saw title bar. So this is the title bar, and then next we saw what is menu bar, and then under the menu bar we have standard toolbars. So tools we use to work with the document. The same way here we have tools, and then this is the workspace or working area, and this is a scroll bar, and this is also scroll bar, and the down one is status bar. So these are the overview of elements. Okay, yes, we come to the end of the class. Did you remember till now what we learned? Yes, we learned about desktop and standard icons, shortcut icons, and the disk drive icons, and then application window, document window, and elements of window. Children, don't forget to do your Kahoot before 11 p.m. and write your test without fail. Thank you and God bless you.